Do you ever feel like life is just passing by? You wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Every single day, you scroll through YouTube, see people making lakhs from their content, and think, man, I wish I could do that. But then your brain goes, yeah, but I don't have a camera. I hate my voice. I'm not confident to show my face. Listen, what if I told you, you don't need any of that? What if there was a way to build a YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without even hiring a team? And what if AI could do 80% of the work for you? Sounds unreal? Well, let me walk you through how I used AI avatars to build my own faceless YouTube empire, and how you can do it too. This video is divided into 7 parts. Each part is necessary to learn. If you're serious about creating faceless videos, listen carefully. Let's move to Part 1. What even is a faceless AI channel? Let's break it down. No jargon. A faceless YouTube channel is simply a channel where you don't show your face, don't use your real voice, don't shoot anything with a camera. Instead, you use AI tools to write scripts, generate voiceovers, create AI avatars that talk for you, edit the video from your laptop or phone, and boom, publish. And people are watching these videos by the millions. Why? Because they care about value, not your face. Part 2. Why most people don't even try. Let's be honest, most people want freedom. They want time. They want passive income. But they do nothing about it because I don't know where to start. What if I fail? What will people say? I'm not tech savvy. I get it. I've been there. I've wasted time overthinking. Watched 50+ tutorials. Tried to figure it out on my own. And then I realized, clarity only comes when you start. Part 3. That's why I built AI Faceless Academy. I didn't want others to go through the same confusion I did, so I created a full mentorship program called AI Faceless Academy, where I teach you everything from scratch. How to pick a profitable niche, how to write viral scripts with AI, how to use AI voice tools like 11 Labs, how to create talking avatars using Synthesia, HeyGen, and others, how to edit your videos, even if you're a complete beginner, and most importantly, how to grow your channel smartly. If you're serious about learning this, visit www.aifacelessacademy.com or click the first link in the description to enroll now. Don't overthink it. Just start. Part 4. What tools do you actually need? Here's your basic faceless setup. ChatGPT for writing scripts, 11 Labs/Murph/PlayHT, AI voice generation, HeyGen/DID/Synthesia, AI avatar presenter, Pictory/InVideo/Canva, video creation and editing, vidIQ/TubeBuddy, SEO and YouTube growth tools. With these, you can literally build a whole channel from your laptop. No camera, no mic. And yes, you can even do this from your phone. Part 5. How does the money come in? Now let's talk real numbers. Once your videos get views and subs, here's how you earn. YouTube monetization, affiliate links, digital products, brand deals, your own services or courses. And when you automate this with AI, you create a system that works even while you sleep. I'm not saying you'll become a millionaire overnight, but even 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month from YouTube is life-changing for most people. Part 6. The 3 big mistakes to avoid. If you're just starting out, avoid these. Making random videos without a niche. Using robotic AI voice with no emotion. Uploading one video and expecting to go viral. Be patient. Stay consistent. Learn the system. Part 7. Your starter plan for the next 7 days. Here's what I want you to do. Day 1. Pick your niche. Day 2. Use ChatGPT to write one script. Day 3. Use 11 Labs for VoiceOver Day 4. Add avatar using HeyGen or Synthesia. Day 5. Edit in Pictory or Canva. Day 6. Upload and optimize with vidIQ. Day 7. Repeat. By day 8, you'll have your first video live. And that first video is where momentum starts. Let me leave you with this. You can spend the next 6 months watching others make money on YouTube. Or you can decide today that enough is enough. And it's time you build something. Don't let your fear be louder than your dreams. If you're ready to learn this entire system, step by step, visit www.aifacelessacademy.com or just click the link in the description. This is not just about YouTube, it's about freedom, skills, and ownership. So let's do this. I'll see you inside the Academy.